Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammad Yunus Ali, resource teacher, Kuzail Girls High School, Rainagor, Naga. Hope you are well. You are staying at your home and passing very critical situation. So we are taking online classes so that you will be very benefited by watching our online classes on YouTube and other social media. So English is very important subject. English is very important subject. We must be very careful about using English language, and if we can make correct sentence, we will get good numbers in our examinations and other situations. That's no problem. Today we have come here to discuss about voice. We took 2 classes about voice, and today we will discuss voice, and this part name is part 3. Let's start our class. This class is for 19 students. Topic is English second paper, dates 5/10/2020. The topic name is voice. So voice is very important. Voice is the name of our name of a grammatical part, and it is very important for English language. We can express our feelings by active voice and passive voice. So today we have written a rule, modal auxiliary verbs. I think you have a lot of experience about modal auxiliary verbs. These are can, may, might, can, could, shall, should, will, would, must, need, dare. These are called modal auxiliary verbs. So if we find this modal auxiliary verb in active voice, or when we want to make the sentence passive voice, we must add be. We must add be after the modal auxiliary verb, and the other rules are the same that was discussed in the last classes. So we can see on the board that the example, he must complete the work then. So here we find that the work is object, so we must take the object in the subject of passive voice. The work, then we find that must is modal auxiliary verb, so we must add be here, be. The work must be, then main verb V3, completed. The work must be completed by, this is he, objective form, him. The work must be is formula, we must add be after modal auxiliary verb. Must is modal auxiliary verb, so we must add be. The work must be completed by him. Okay, there is another examples. So then we find that there is another rule, double object. If we find double object in active voice, we must use one object. It's very good to take the personal object. Here we can find that my friend gave me a mobile. Me is a object and a mobile is a object. This is personal object me, and this is another object. So this rule is called double object. So we should take the personal object, and this will be better. So we will write the answer. Here object is I. Me is objective form, I is subjective form. I. This is past indefinite tense. How can we identify tense? By looking at the verb, auxiliary verb and main verb. Here give, gave, given. Here gave is V2 form. This is past indefinite tense. I was, then given. Given is V3 form. I was given. Then a mobile. I was given a mobile by who? By my friend. By my friend. Okay. So again, my friend gave me a mobile. Here two objects, me and a mobile. So we should take personal object, and this is very better. I was given, then me, subjective I, past tense was, gave V3 given, I was given, then another object. There is no change of another object. It will be given after main verb. I was given a mobile by my friend. Okay. There are lots of examples. We will discuss another rules and examples in other classes. So then find that imperative sentence. If the active voice is in imperative sentence, we must use some different rules. That is, if it is imperative sentence and main verb, if the sentence starts with main verb, this is called imperative sentence. So there is rule. This is active voice, change the voice. This is example, change the voice. So we must use here let at first. At first we must use let. Then we take the object. Let is formula. Let must be taken. Let the word, let the voice, then be. We should add be. Let the voice, then main verb V3. Change, main verb changed. Let the voice be changed. Okay, change the voice. This is imperative sentence. The sentence starts with main verb, so it is called imperative sentence. So at first we take let, then object, let the voice, then be, then change V3 changed. Okay, we will discuss another example. I think you can understand these rules. There are another rules of, okay, open the door. Open the door. This is imperative sentence. Open the door. So we must take here let, then object the door, then be, then open V3, OPENED. Okay, I think this is clear to you. So another example of modal auxiliary verb. He should play the game. He should play the game. This is active. This is active. This is passive. This is active. If you want to make it passive, so at first he should play the game. Here you can see that modal auxiliary verb should. Then the object is the game. At first we will write the game. Then should. The game should be. The game should be played. V3 played. The game should be played by him. The game should be played by him. Clear? So the another rules of imperative sentence are, if we find do not change the topic. Do not change the topic. This is another rules of imperative sentence. I have to find that open the door. This is main verb and this is the main verb, but before this is do not, negative sentence. So rules are the same. This active, passive. If you want to make this active imperative sentence an active voice to passive voice, we must take let not. Let not. Do not change the topic. Let not. At first we must take let not. Then the object. Let not the topic. Let not the topic. Then be. Change V3 changed. Let not the topic be changed. Okay, clear? I think it is clear to you. We should discuss another example. Do not tell a lie. Do not tell a lie. Then this active voice, if you want to make it passive, so there is object a lie. At first we should take here there is do not. This is imperative sentence, but before main verb there is negative word do not. So we at first we take let not, then object let not a lie, then be, let not a lie be, tell V3 told, let not a lie be told. Clear? I think that these rules are clear to you. In the next class we will discuss another rules of voice. So practice these examples and rules and follow your syllabus and try to manage, try to budget your time and give this and budget your time and utilize this time in your studies, and your examination will be held